So Devil did some maintenance today, and he decided to lift his bike, the back, just the back, to change the wheel. So me and Travis decided to jack the whole bike half a meter in the air. Bike is hanging in the tree. So we'll record tomorrow morning. The donuts.
As jy maar beter voel of glitter of
Waar?
my hele slapsak vol glitter.
Dat was jy ekkie.
Dat was jy ja.
Ewald, hoekom is jy so baie straps by jou bike?
Kyk hoe die blitsers dit klaar gekry.
Hy was klaar halfpad in die lug, so ons het maar net die voorwiel ook gelig.